Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. My name is Angela. Please like and subscribe if you like my recipes. Today is keto tomato soup. This is so easy. You're going to be astonished. So I was flipping through the YouTube and I found a couple recipes and modified it a little bit myself. But this is so easy, it's kind of sinful. So I love creamy tomato soup. This is from Costco, Victoria's tomato sauce. It is 6 carbohydrates per half cup. So we're diluting it with a couple things. So in the event that you want a whole cup, it probably still would be 6 carbs. So in this, it already smells good. The Raos one, I think, is 5 carbs or maybe 4. So if you find that brand, do it. It's just really expensive. And excuse me, I forgot my glasses. Or can you hand me my glasses? My beautiful assistant. Look at that. Look at those muscles. Thank you.
Do you need a nap?
He's back on the naps. So what I wanted to share with everybody is the ingredients. Check this out. Tomatoes, onions, olive oil, salt, garlic, basil, and spices. Calcium chloride, and I'm sure that's just to make it so it doesn't spoil. But that's all that's in this. I like it. And to be exact, yes, 6 carbs and 1/2 cup. So put this in a pot, and I get to use my pumpkin pot that I got. Then what I'm doing is taking about a cup of chicken broth. Now, if you guys remember a few days ago, I made chicken broth from chicken that I bought from Costco, which was the kind in a bag rotisserie, only $4.99. But look how gelatinous that is. That's all the collagen there, and that's why you put apple cider vinegar in there. So I'm going to add that. And a cup of heavy whipping cream. And this is it. 3 ingredients. And if you want to use an emulsion blender to make it creamier, you can. I'm not going to. I really like the little bit of chunks of tomato, and the heavy whipping cream really makes it feel creamy. But you don't have to add salt. If you want to, you can, but it's going to be perfect the way it is. I'll be back to taste test with you. I'm back. So while the tomato soup is simmering, I wanted to share another recipe that I saw that kind of goes with it. And what that is pickle chips with cheese, and they're 0 carb. And what you do is, I get the silicone muffin cup, and you just put just a little cheese in all of these. Not a lot, just a little bit to coat the bottom. And I'm using Colby. And just so you guys know, I grate my own cheese. I finally got one of those cranking cheese graters. I just think that they work better. I'm trying to maneuver through this one really quick because it's like lifting up, but I know there's a better way, but I was kind of rushing. So I'm thinking, maybe that wasn't a good idea to not read the instructions first. And then I have pickle chips that I put on a paper towel to drain a little water out and pat on top. And you place 1 in each of these. And my husband's eating popcorn over there, and he's eating Skinny Pop. I'm real proud of you. The little Skinny Pop. Did you get the white cheddar, or is it just the plain?
Plain.
Plain? Either way, it's good. Okay, so there's that one, like that. And then you take your remaining cheese, and I didn't measure this because there's no measuring. It's just, and then you sprinkle a little more on top. And then I'm gonna put these in the oven. It's at 375, and you're just gonna watch them so they don't burn. So I'm going to get some more cheese for the rest of this. Pop it in the oven, I'll show you when they're... I'm back. Look at those pickle chips. And the soup. Already had some. So good. So good. Maybe if you have fresh basil, sprinkle some fresh basil or parm on there if you want. This is so good. You need to make this. And these, look at that. I would have cooked them a little bit longer and maybe a little less cheese, just so they can cook faster. The next batch I did, or that's in the oven now, I did the same thing, but I sprinkled some everything bagel on it. I used to try and do this in the chaffle machine, and it would stick, or chaffle maker, and it would stick. It drove me nuts. This is a great idea. And I think if you cut these up, you can make croutons. Oh man. Try that. This was just Colby Jack cheese. Excuse me. I think I might do the mozzarella or cheese that I know is going to crunch up really good. I don't know which one yet, but this is a great snack and great for your soup. Do you want to try this, Booby? You haven't even tried the soup.
Not yet.
Maybe just try taste. I know he just had a hamburger, so he's not going to be eating a lot.
All kinds of good stuff here.
Get in the camera.
Get in the camera here.
Doesn't need salt or anything.
No. Smells very good.
Would you have a bowl of it if
Yep.
you were hungry?
If I was hungry.
Do you like these? He
I
tried
do.
these.
I'll have another one.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Good. Winner, winner. This isn't quite salty enough, even with the pickle. It might be because of the cheese. So I might sprinkle a little salt on it. So anyway, thought I'd share that. Love you all and have a good night.